This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about organizing shared files and folders in Google Drive. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. I received an email from a reader of my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and the reader asked, how do I access Google Drive files and store them where I want them to be stored rather than just have it show up when I click the shared folder? And her question is this. So if you open your Google Drive account and click on Shared with Me, you'll see all of these files that people have shared with me. And the question is, well, what if you want to take these files and put them somewhere else in Google Drive so they're easier to find? And there's an easy answer to that question. All you need to do is just drag them to the folder in question. And when you come to the Shared Files section of Google Drive, in the upper left corner, you'll see My Drive. Click on that little triangle there, and you can see all of the folders that you have. So, like, let's say that if I want to have, let's see, college visitors during wind blocks, spring 2020 public. So let's say I want to have that in my home folder. All I need to do is just kind of select it and then drag it using my mouse to home, drop it in there, and you can see it says shortcut added to home. So the file will be visible in there. It's not actually stored in that area. It's just a shortcut. It's a reference that where you can see it. So if I click on home, I will see that particular file, but it will also show up in the shared folder. And in fact, if I wanted to drag this to another one, like let's say that I wanted to drag this to my blogging folder, I could do that too. And so now the shortcut appears in two places, blogging and home, as well as in the Shared with Me folder in Google Drive. So that's the answer to the question. I hope this helped out. If it did, please take a moment to like the video and follow me. I have new videos every week. And also, if you're really interested in learning more about Google Drive and Docs, I've actually written a book about it. It's in its 3rd edition right now. It's sold a lot of copies, and it's a very helpful little handbook to have, whether ebook edition or the printed edition, if you use Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, sites for your job, or you just need a quick reference in case you need to draw upon that particular skill set. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.